name is Rishikesh. I am from Nalanda, Bihar. I joined JSpiders on 11 September. Recently, I got placed in Arokya IT Private Limited. Before joining JSpiders, I have only basic knowledge about coding. But after joining JSpiders, the faculties helped me a lot to enhance my coding and technical skills, especially Anupama ma'am, who taught me core Java, Pooja ma'am, who has taken me for advanced Java, and Namba ma'am, who has taken Oracle SQL, and Akshay sir and Rahul sir, who helped me a lot to improve my coding skills. I would like to thank all the faculties and HRs who helped me to get placed. Also, I have attended grooming classes and presentation classes. Grooming classes has helped me a lot during the interviews, and presentation class has helped me to improve my communication skills, and you will be confident while talking in English in interviews. I like to suggest all my friends who are willing to pursue their career in IT sector, and I would like to suggest the JSpiders Hebbal branch, which is, I think in my opinion, is the best branch to join, and they will help you to get placed as soon as possible. Thank you.